Dragutin Gavrilović. Dragutin Gavrilović, May 25, 1882 to July 19, 1945, was a Serbian and Yugoslav military officer, best known for his heroic defense of Belgrade during the First World War. Dragutin Gavrilović was born in Čačak, Serbia, in 1882. After his graduation from the Military Academy of Serbia in 1901, he took part in every war the Serbian army fought until World War II. He is best remembered in Serbian history books for his dramatic order to his troops issued on October 7, 1915, the first day of the defense of Belgrade against the Austro-Hungarian and German attack during the First World War. Holding the rank of Major, Gavrilović at the time commanded the 2nd Battalion of the 10th Infantry Regiment, which, along with a detachment of Belgrade Gendarmerie and a group of about 340 volunteers from Sirmia, was defending positions at the very confluence of Sava and Danube, beneath the Kalmtun fortress. In the early morning, Austro-Hungarian troops attacked across the rivers after a heavy 2-day artillery barrage. The Serbians in a series of counter-attacks trapped the invaders against the Danube with heavy casualties on both sides. The Serbian position grew worse every minute because of an incessant flow of Austro-Hungarian reinforcements and a vast superiority in artillery, which the Serbs countered by employing close-quarter tactics. The Serbs had their last stand in front of the Jasnica bistro. There the soldiers took flowers from a small flower shop and put them on their coats and on their guns as they prepared for one last charge into certain death. Before throwing them into a counterattack, Major Gavrilović rallied them with a call to arms. "Soldiers, exactly at 3 o'clock, the enemy is to be crushed by your fierce charge, destroyed by your grenades and bayonets. The honor of Belgrade, our capital, must not be stained. Soldiers. Heroes. The Supreme Command has erased our regiment from its records. Our regiment has been sacrificed for the honor of Belgrade and the fatherland. Therefore, you no longer need to worry about your lives, they no longer exist. So, forward to glory. For the King and the fatherland. Long live the King, long live Belgrade." The desperate charge that followed, in which Gavrilović was badly wounded, failed to destroy the Austro-Hungarian bridgehead. The timely intervention of Austro-Hungarian river monitors which approached the shore to deliver point-blank artillery fire with much reduced fear of hitting their own troops, and to which the engaged Serbian units had no effective counter, played a major role in defeating the attack. But the charge and similar acts of bravery and self-sacrifice by Serbian troops and by the inhabitants of Belgrade during the battle earned deep respect from the invaders, who suffered around 10,000 casualties in the course of capturing the city. The German commander August von Mackensen himself erected a monument on the battleground commemorating the city's zealous defenders. It still stands to this day and is inscribed with the words "Here rest Serbian heroes" in German and Serbian, a rare example in military history, of one army building a monument to their enemies. Gavrilović was carried back by the survivors of his regiment. He was awarded the Serbian War Medal, Karađorđe's Star, the French Croix de Guerre, among others. In the Second World War, then a colonel in the Yugoslav Royal Army, Gavrilović was captured by the Axis during their invasion of Yugoslavia. He survived imprisonment to return to his homeland where he died shortly afterward.